If you want to know what it takes to create a strong brand, keep watching. This is what I learned with the Depop Now Next program. Hey y'all, this is Krystina. I'm from Connecticut, and this is Depop Now Next for Black sellers.
My name is Skylar, and I'm a Mississippi-based Depop Now Next seller. A good brand gives its buyers a way to remember them. It creates an identity in the buyer's mind that sets them apart from its competitors.
What makes a brand is people being able to easily recognize it, whether that's from the product or any visual branding that company has.
A brand is made by making a promise to your consumers and sticking to that promise. The purpose of this is to establish trust and loyalty between brand and buyer. It's useful to me and, well, to any brand because it should be the thing that you're constantly working to fulfill. Every action and decision that you make for your business should be in alignment with that brand.
You get to decide how you want to portray your own culture of your brand and what it says to buyers.
Depop's Now Next program taught me that branding can be a company's most valued asset. This is because of what we call a CVP, and that's basically just short for a customer value proposition. Now, what I mean by that is, what is that thing, that one core value or belief that you intend to serve to your customers every single time?
Part of my customer value proposition is to create a safe space where people who consider themselves different or alternative can feel free enough to buy pieces of clothing that represent their style and how they truly feel. I feel like some people get too caught up on trying to replicate or be like other brands. It's really important for you to stick to your own individuality because that's how you're going to find your target audience.
Brands are based on a promise built through consistent customer experience. Basically, what I mean by that is that each customer interaction is an opportunity to make or break that customer's relationship with the brand. If you package your items a certain way, if you include things in your packaging, if you shoot a message to your customers, if you post a certain way, anything that's true and authentic to you and your brand that keeps those customers wanting more is how you get those repeat customers. I want anyone who has an appreciation for slow fashion and hand-constructed garments to be able to have access to my clothing.
The better you market your brand, the better that you create a persona around your brand and a brand experience, the more it's going to imprint into your audience's mind, and your audience is just going to grow. More people are going to want to be a part of this experience. They're not going to want to miss out.
That's all from me, and my name is Skylar.
Signing off, this is Krystina again from Soulful Threads.
I'll see you guys next time.